For today's project, I wanted to decorate these plain pumpkins. I chose Mickey and Minnie Mouse as a theme for the pumpkins. You need 2 foam pumpkins, black, red, and white paint, black foam, foam brushes, and your glue gun. I found this ear pattern on a Google search. Start by adding painter's tape around the middle of each pumpkin. Paint the top half of each pumpkin black. Allow it to dry and apply a second coat as needed. While the paint is drying, cut the ears from the black foam. You will need 4 to make 2 pairs of ears. Add some glue and place the pieces together. Remove the painter's tape and paint the bottom half of the pumpkin red. Let it dry and apply a second coat if needed. Take a piece of red felt and create Minnie's bow. I looped a piece of felt and glued the ends together. I did an accordion fold and took a small piece of felt and secured it around the middle. Take your white paint and add dots all over the bow. When the pumpkins are dry, use a paint dotter to add 2 white dots to the front of the Mickey Mouse pumpkin for his buttons. Add random white polka dots to the Minnie Mouse pumpkin for her dress. Glue the felt ears onto the top of each pumpkin. Attach a bow to the base of the stem of the Minnie Mouse pumpkin, centering it between the ears. These would make a wonderful addition to a classroom holiday display. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.